friends, do you know what a baby cow is called? Or how about a baby chicken? Get ready to explore the amazing world of farm animal families. We are going to meet the mommies, daddies, and all their cute little babies right here on Old MacDonald's farm.
Pig family. Here comes Mama Pig waddling in the mud, and look, her little piglets follow right behind. Piglets love to snuffle, wiggle, and roll in the mud. Can you say oink oink with me?
Cow family. Here is Clara the cow munching on green grass. Beside her is her baby called a calf. Calves drink milk from their mothers until they grow big enough to graze. Let's all moo together, moo!
Chicken family. Cluck, cluck, cluck. That is Henrietta the hen with her fluffy little chicks. And here is the rooster who crows cock-a-doodle-doo every morning. Can you flap your arms like chicks? Sheep family. Bah, did you hear that? A ewe is the mama sheep and her baby is called a lamb. Lambs love to skip and jump in the meadow. Can you bleat like a sheep, bah?
Horse family.
Clip, clop, clip, clop.
Here is a horse trotting proudly across the field. A baby horse is called a foal. Foals stand up and walk soon after they are born. Amazing, right? Let's all neigh together, neigh.
Duck family. Quack, quack, Mama Duck waddles by with her ducklings swimming behind. Ducklings love to paddle splash and follow their mom in a line. Can you quack like a duck?
Goat family. Here comes a goat with her little kid. Yes, a baby goat is called a kid just like you. Goats love to climb rocks and nibble on leaves. Let's bleat together, Ma. Cat family. Purr, purr on the farm. We also meet cats. Mama cat cares for her tiny kittens. Kittens love to chase string and nap in warm hay. Can you meow softly like a kitten?
Dog family. Woof, woof. Here comes a farm dog and her puppies. Dogs help keep the farm safe by barking and herding animals. Puppies are playful, wiggly, and full of energy. Can you wag your tail like a puppy?
Donkey family. Hee-haw, hee-haw. This is Daisy the donkey, and her baby is called a foal, too, just like horses. Donkeys are strong helpers on the farm, carrying loads and pulling carts. Can you make a loud hee-haw sound?
Goose family? Honk, honk. Here is Mama Goose leading her goslings. They waddle close together and swim behind their mother in a neat line. Can you honk like a goose? Turkey family. Gobble, gobble. That is Tom the turkey and his Poults the baby turkeys. Turkeys fan out their feathers and make funny gobbling sounds. Can you say gobble, gobble with me?
Rabbit family. Hop, hop, hop. Rabbits live on the farm too. Baby rabbits are called kits or bunnies. They love to nibble on carrots and hop around the garden. Can you hop like a bunny?
Mule family. Here is a mule, a hard-working helper on some farms. A mule's baby is called a foal, too. Mules are strong and steady, carrying heavy loads. Can you stomp your feet like a mule?
Wow, look at all the families together. We met the pig and her piglets, the cow and her calf, the hen, rooster, and chicks, the sheep and her lamb, the horse and her foal, the duck and her ducklings, the goat and her kid, the cat and her kittens, the dog and her puppies, the donkey and her foal, the goose and her goslings, the turkey and his poults, the rabbit and her kits, the mule and her foal. That is 15 animal families on Old MacDonald's farm. Quiz time. Let's see what you remember. What do we call a baby pig? Piglet. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo.
What is a baby sheep called? Lamb. What is the name for a baby horse? What is a baby goat called? Kid.
What are baby cats called? Kittens. What do we call baby dogs? Puppies. What sound does a donkey make? Hee-haw. What is another name for baby rabbits? Bunnies. What sound does a goose make? Honk, honk. Which farm animal says gobble, gobble? Turkey.
Great job, friends. Today we met 15 amazing farm animal families. We learned their names, their sounds, and how they live together. We had so much fun. Let's keep learning together. Subscribe to JollyJube for more playful and smart videos.